Everybody, and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make this beautiful red buffalo plaid wreath. So this year I told myself that I wasn't going to decorate. Christmas is kind of canceled because of COVID, so I'm not gonna do anything. And so this is the year that I ended up going all out way more than ever. In my town we have a lot of restrictions that most likely isn't gonna allow us to really celebrate Christmas with our families this year. Having my house totally in Christmas gear has made me feel so good. It just, I don't know, the environment I'm in, it just is putting some Christmas cheer and spirit, even though if it's only even me enjoying that, I just absolutely love it. And my theme this year is red gold, red buffalo plaid, everything. I just am so in love, and you can see I have this sweater I got here recently, living in this sweater all this month. So I wanted to really make a red buffalo plaid type of wreath to go with the rest of the decor in my house. If you'd like to see how I made this super easy red buffalo plaid wreath, please keep watching. So the ingredients for this is this wire wreath frame. I got this one from Dollar Tree. This is actually a mini one, but you can use any size, and you can use some red and black felt and this beautiful bow I got from Dollarama. So step one is you want to cut the strips of felt, and you want to make it as thin as possible because it's easier to tie. And all you do is take one at a time and tie them on to the wire wreath, and this is what it should look like. So the thinner the better, and you want to alternate the colors. So you can see I have black, red, black, and then you keep on going, and this is what it should look like. So you can see the back, it's nice and flat with the knots, and then the front has all the little spokes sticking out, but you can see it's alternating. So you can see there it is sticking out, and then here's what it looks like halfway through in one little area. And then yeah, you just keep going. I ended up just doing about 2/3 of the entire wreath, as you can see here, and then I left a little bit of a space there to add the bow because the bow covered that space perfectly. So what I did is just I used the backing to attach the bow, and then I glued the rest down, and there you go. This is literally everything that it takes. It was so easy to do, and I absolutely loved this. I was watching an episode of something, and I was able to get through this whole thing with that. So I love how this looks, and here I have it sitting on my blanket ladder in my living room. So I think it looks absolutely stunning and amazing, and I love how it looks. It just really flows well with everything else I have going on, as my theme is the red and black buffalo plaid. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. It was so easy, and obviously you can tailor this to whatever colors you want. So if you had a black and white buffalo plaid bow, you can put this black and white. If you had green, you can make this green. Whatever, honestly, colors you want. It's so easy to do. So beautiful, easy. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, bye-bye.